Is that all you got? Your parents would be very disappointed!
Don't you ever mention my parents!
Wu may have been a good teacher, but he's not here to help you now.
Don't you mention Wu either.
Oh, Ninja. Such misplaced loyalty.
My parents helped Wu and Garmadon defeat you once, and I will do it again.
Is that what you think?
That's what I know. Master Wu told me.
But you were not there, young ninja. I was. Your parents were. And Wu. He told you a lie. Your parents were not who you think they are. They didn't fight against us. They fought with us.
What? It can't be. They were heroes.
True, they were heroes. But heroes for our side.
Huh? I don't believe you. Master Wu would never lie.
Surely you can see why he didn't want you to know the truth. Your parents were traitors! Oh, Kai, you've let your emotions get the best of you. The truth hurts, doesn't it?
Not as much as this will! Sorry I'm late. Achronix!
Ah, yes. You've met my twin brother.
You know, for twins, one of you looks much older. He was born 3 minutes earlier.
Time waits for no one, young ninja.
But it's time out!
Oh, gee, what a mess! And to think, we just cleaned up the museum.
Nia! Good to see you, sis.
Back at you, bro. Now let's teach these two a lesson in sibling rivalry.
They are good. Switch?
He's all yours.
But we are better, brother.
Brother!
I'm here for you, sister. Looks like we have the upper hand.
The Time Blade! Don't let him!
Until next time!
No, we can't.